Elements of marketing and management. Marketing is a whole system of economic activities related to pricing, promotion, and distribution of products and services designed to meet the requirements of actual and potential consumers. This study provides several complementary definitions of marketing. It also presents several key points related to marketing policy, defining the position that the company will occupy on the market for competition, fixing the image with what will approach the market, achieving a balance between turnover rates, profit and expenses as a condition for the survival of the company. This study proposed a concept of marketing management. This concept takes into consideration, on the one hand, the correlations between companies' position in the market definition and, on the other hand, the image received by customers. The goal of this concept of marketing management is to ensure an effective balance between the turnover rate of profit and the expenses of the company. Marketing encompasses design, attitude, and action, with a stated focus on customer satisfaction. However, profit often remains the primary goal of organizations. Efficient marketing should be from the beginning to the end of each production cycle and the sales capacity of the undertaking. Introduction. Marketing plays a vital role in any organization by helping to understand and meet customer needs while creating value. It involves a range of activities such as identifying customer demands, promoting products, and delivering services effectively. A strong marketing strategy is essential for companies to stand out from competitors and succeed in today's market. Key tools like customer analysis, retention strategies, and market profiling help businesses improve performance and build lasting customer relationships. Effective marketing relies on thorough market research to keep current customers satisfied, attract new ones, and ensure smart use of resources for better profits. Overall, marketing is more than just selling. It's about managing all business actions that connect products to people in ways that benefit both the company and the customer. Conclusion. Marketing plays a key role in business by focusing on design, mindset, and actions that aim to satisfy customers. While it's often said that marketing is about meeting customer needs, in practice, it's usually centered on making a profit. For marketing to be truly effective, it must be applied throughout the entire process, from product creation to sales, and based on proper market research. This involves smart use of 4 key resources: people, money, materials, and information, with information being the foundation that supports all the others. Successful marketing also depends on how well these resources work together. Regardless of a business's size, applying marketing and management principles effectively helps build customer loyalty, increase visibility, and boost profits. When done correctly and adapted to what customers actually need, these strategies improve a company's market position and make it more competitive in today's fast-moving business world. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.